Hey guys, welcome to a new 2-minute Q&A video. Today's question was submitted by Angela, and her question is, as a new CMA candidate, how do I work my way up to that $124,000 salary? Do you have suggestions on career advice and getting to that point? Angela, thank you so much for asking that question. I know that so many CMA candidates want to know the answer to this question, and I've got a couple of strategies and tips that will help you get to that salary over time. I would like to invite you to think about your boss differently. How about if you think of your boss as your client, as your customer, and you are running your own business, your business of Angela.Inc. In this business, you are there to serve your client, which is your boss. And by that, I mean, go the extra mile. Instead of doing exactly what your boss tells you to do and that's it, reach out and say, hey, what else can I do for you? As you start seeing your boss as a client, you'll see how your mindset will shift. Instead of waiting to get instructions from your boss, instead of waiting for feedback, you will become more proactive and more engaged at work, in projects, and your boss will take notice because you are going the extra mile. So to have a $124,000 salary, we have to have that mindset shift. And that's going to build a track record over time where you can actually use that as a foundation to ask for a salary, which leads me to the second tip. After building a good track record, now is a good time to ask your boss if there are any growth opportunities in your company and how you can get there. And also, how long would it take to get there? Now you have a clear path where you can actually start moving up the ladder at a faster pace and start getting bigger and bigger raises up to the point where you're making $124,000 a year or even more. So to summarize, number one, shift your mindset and start treating your boss as your client because you are running Angela.Inc. That's your company. Number two, ask for growth opportunities in the company, how long it would take to get there, what you need to do to get there, and do that only after you have a solid track record where you've shown that you take initiative, where you go the extra mile, and you want to learn and grow. So Angela, I hope that was helpful. If you have any follow-up questions, drop them in the chat. I'd be more than happy to help you. And to you as well, if you have any questions about how to move up the ladder, about how to get a raise at work, drop it in the comments. I'd be more than happy to help. You can also email me directly at nathan@cmacoach.com. And for those of you who are still studying for the exam, don't forget to download a copy of my free CMA exam cheat sheet. The link is in the caption below. It's totally free, and it'll show you the 9 best tactics that will help you pass the CMA exam on the first attempt. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video, and until next week, take care. Bye.